entire living area space. Now the house is divided into this is what your kitchen area space is going to look like. That is the easy to predict that this is your master bedroom and you have. Now why exactly should you be investing in this project? Positioned in a premier IT corridor home to global tech giants gives area yield strong capital demand. Let's get to know a little bit about the builder. So you see, they are an award-winning Tier 1 real estate developers renowned for transforming modern skylines across of South India. So here's presenting Prestige Vaishnoi Rainbow Waters by Prestige Group and Vaishnoi Group. A project that gives you views of the Malkam and Durgam Chervu Lake, an ultra-exclusive project which is also low density. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour for Vaishnoi Prestige Rainbow Waters by Vaishnoi Group and Prestige Group, which is located off Darg Road, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is what the surrounding of your project is going to look like. So your marketing office is present right over here and your land parcel is on the opposite corner. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Not unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now let's get to know about the project. So it is going to be constructed on 2.4 acres of land parcel featuring 1 tower with 2 basement, 5 podium, 2 stilt and 34 floors, which also includes your 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to your amenities part, of course the project comes with a grand clubhouse which also includes your indoor equipped gymnasium, which also includes your indoor sports courts. Then you'll also have your kids play area. And then just below your clubhouse you will also find your swimming pool area and a lot more. Now let's talk about the Rights of Home Buyers series. So if you were planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyers series. You see, many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to the builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? Sometimes you, after possession, have quality related issues or construction quality related issues. Sometimes you don't even know what liability is. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all your legal rights. Well, we have explained all these important topics in a very easy to understandable manner. Therefore, I recommend that you watch these series and the link for it is mentioned in the description below. Coming over to the location part, so the project is located off Darg Road, Raidurg, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Now let's talk about the distance connectivity. So your KIMS hospital is just 100 meters away, your Malkam Lake just being 350 meters away, and the IKEA Hyderabad is just 2.9 kilometers away from here. A project that ensures every single apartment has a completely unobstructed premium view of the Malkam Chervu Lake. Hello everyone, today we will be doing the sample flat tour for Prestige Vaishnoi Rainbow Waters by Prestige Group for 4 BHK, and the configuration for that is going to be 4971 square feet. Let's get the video started. Now, as soon as you enter, first you have this entire living area space. Now the house is divided into different living area space. So this is what your first entire living area space is going to look like. As you can see, this is also extremely spacious. You have enough space for adding your extra sofas in the area. And then just opposite to the side, you will notice that you have your first common washroom area space. Now the common washroom area space itself also is spacious. You have your toiletry system, you have your wash basin unit and your exhaust fan as well. Now, before you enter into your other passage area, so you have this long walk-in area on this corner of the house, and as you can see, this also is extremely spacious. It is designed completely perfectly. And then right beside that corner, you will find that you have your puja area space, which also again is extremely very spacious. So you can add your lighting system here as well. Now, coming over to your other living area space corner, this is what your entire living area space corner is going to look like. As you can see, both the sides of the living area space look extremely spacious. So on this corner, you can add your extra large dining table, or if you want, you can add another couch system over here or design it however you like. And then on the opposite corner, you can add your other sofa units or your system, however you preferably like. And then right in front of that, you will find your running balcony area, which also again is extremely spacious. Now if you look at the balcony, what I mean by running is that, so it extends all the way up to that corner, connecting to one of your bedroom. Now if you look at the balcony again, it also has proper wooden flooring given, and it also has proper railing system attached with your glassware for your safety system. On the opposite side of your balcony as well, you will find extra space where you can add your tables, your chairs, and you can design it however you like. And again, this also just connects you directly to one of your other bedroom area spaces, where again you have a lot of open area space in the front. And that opposite corner of your balcony also has space which connects you easily to your other bedroom, wherein again you have space for adding your tables, your chairs, and this is the other bedroom area space that easily connects you. Now, entering into our first bedroom. So your first bedroom area space is just directly opposite to your open washroom area space. So this is what the first bedroom area space is going to look like. As you can see, this also again is extremely very spacious. So you have a lot of open area space corner on that side as well as on this side as well. And then on the front of the room as well, you have a lot of open area space corner, and this is the running balcony that connects you to your living area side as well. Now if you look on that opposite corner of the room, you will also find your open closet system unit, which also again is extremely very spacious. You have a lot of standing space here. You can even add your dressing table as well. And then just opposite, of course, you also have your private attached washroom. Now if you look at your private attached washroom, this is also extremely very spacious. So over here you also have your shower system, which is divided by your glass partitioning. You have your toiletry unit and your wash basin unit as well. Now entering into our second bedroom, this is also just directly opposite to your living area space. So this can be used for your kids room as well. Specifically, this is also extremely spacious. You have this whole centerpiece corner as well, and because the room is extended well, so on this corner also, if you want, you can add a small bed, or if you want, you can add on this corner as well. And then opposite to this, you will also find your walk-in closet small area space, where if you want, you can add your extra drawers, your tables or your chairs as well. And then just opposite to this, you will find your private attached washroom. So this is what your private attached washroom is going to look like. You have your glass partitioning over there for your shower system, and the shower system space also is extremely spacious. Then you also have your toiletry unit and your wash basin as well. Now your kitchen area space is also very close by to your dining area. So this is what your kitchen area space is going to look like. That is the plus point about the house. As you can see, the kitchen area space also is extremely very spacious. You have a lot of walk-in area space. So on the opposite side of the corner, if you want, you can add your extra kitchen appliances like your oven and all of that. And then on the other opposite side, you can also add your fridge unit as well. So you have a lot of storage units on your kitchen side as well. Now the kitchen is also divided into two different corners. So firstly, you have this separate storage area unit, which is also again very spacious, wherein if you want, you can add your food or your extra storage units, or it can be also used to turn it into your maid's room as well. And then you have this utility balcony area. So this is what the utility balcony area is going to look like, where you can add your extra wash basin, you have proper tap unit, and you also have your drainage unit area, and the ventilation source, the glass can be removed for your ventilation purpose if you want to add your laundry as well. And this is the place that connects you to your balcony area that I was talking about, the running balcony. Now entering into our third bedroom. So this is what your third bedroom area space is going to look like. As you can see, this also is extremely very spacious. So you have this whole long window corner system right in front of your bedding, which again is a perfect source for ventilation. And in the front of your bedding area unit as well, you have a lot of space to walk in. And then just on the opposite corner, you have the small walk-in area space for adding your extra wardrobe unit or however you like. And then in front of that, you will find your washroom area. So you have your shower unit area space on that corner, and then you have your toiletry and your wash basin as well. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you'll also get the EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details, and pros and cons of the project as well. Now, if you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you just have to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, from where you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheets as well. Entering into our master bedroom. Now, as soon as you enter, it's very easy to predict that this is your master bedroom, and you have a huge space on that corner of your master bedroom, and then on the opposite area unit as well, you have a lot of space. So this is what your entire master bedroom area space is going to look like. So first you have two different window systems, and then you have a third window system as well, which means the air conditioning system in this room is perfect. So this is one of your private balcony areas of the room. So this is what the space for the balcony is going to look like. You have your proper wooden flooring structure, you have your drainage unit on the opposite corner, and here as well you have your railing system attached for your safety reasons. And then opposite to this corner, you will find your other balcony area space, which is again a plus point for your master bedroom. Most of the times you don't have this, so if you have extra guests or you want to invite someone over, this is the perfect place for that. This also again is extended, it's long, which means you can add a lot of things here, and you properly have your wooden flooring structure given. You can also attach your railing system on the corner for your safety reasons, or it will mostly be attached. Then again, coming back to your walk-in closet area, this is what your entire space of your walk-in closet is going to look like. You have a lot of walk-in area space here, or if you want, you can change and turn and add your drawing or your dressing table as well. And then opposite to this, you will find your attached washroom area space. Now, as you can see, the attached washroom area space also is extremely spacious. You have your shower system, which is also extremely very spacious. And then on the opposite corner, you will have your toiletry unit area space, then you have your wash basin space, and then you also have your exhaust fan. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about the house. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.